Oh, guys. Oh my God. Oh my. You can literally see the oil on top of my nose.
Hi friends, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Nikki. I hope that you will consider subscribing. I upload a minimum of 3 days a week, Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, and usually some uploads in between. I am warning you now, this video is going to be a little gross. I have the largest pores probably of any woman on the planet, specifically on my nose. And I've been seeing this video trend go around where you look at stuff under a digital microscope. I don't know who started this trend. You guys probably know because these videos get millions of views. So if you do know, can you let me know in the link down below? I will link the video where I first saw it in my description box. But if you don't know what I'm talking about, basically people are buying microscopes and looking at makeup under the microscope, looking at their skin under a microscope, looking at knockoff makeup under a microscope. And I thought it would be cool because I have huge pores on my nose. I'm not kidding. I've never seen anybody with pores larger than mine on their nose. I have to do a lot of work to get it clean, a lot of facials, a lot of exfoliation, a lot of toners. So I'm gonna zoom you in. I'm gonna have no makeup on. I have very oily, combo skin with large pores. This is gonna be wild. It's going to be wild. So if you're eating, stop eating. Pause this, maybe watch it later. If you're not eating, if you have a weak stomach, I'm just warning you, my pores are big. Okay? We're just gonna jump into it. Sans makeup, large pores. I'm so excited for this and a little scared. Let's do it. So this is real life, friends. Look at how large my pores are. Honestly, I don't think I've ever seen anyone with pores larger than mine on my nose. So I really work hard to make these suckers smaller. So you can see here and here, all of the pores. This is very uncomfortable for me because you can even see some nose hair. So let's zoom out and then get magnified. All right, I got a mirror just so I can see like where I'm actually pointing the microscope. Oh, I'm nervous, friends. Okay, let me start the recording on the camera. Is it starting? 3, 2, 1, here we go. And it worries me that it has a light. Like, what is the light for? Okay, how do you focus? Oh God. Oh, guys. Oh my God. Oh my. You can literally see the oil on top of my nose. Let me get closer. Sorry it's so shaky. And why do my pores look like... I have hair on my nose? There's hair growing out of my nose. Is that... Am I late to the scene here? Did you guys know we have hair? I mean, I know you have hair growing out of your nostrils, but with the microscope, there's hair... Oh my God, this is a disturbing video. Do you guys see that? I'm gonna try to like put it on my face. And then there is hair growing out of my pores. Oh, I think I'm gonna be sick. Why do my pores look like that? I mean, I know they're big, but like, I'm gonna be saying like a lot. This is the most shocking, not disgusting, it's life, right? We all have pores, but I just didn't know. Let me back up a little. I just didn't know they look like that. And I did not know that hair grows out of my pores. I mean, on my nose. I want to move it up. Whoa, I am a hairy biatch. God dang. Wow. Okay, so the pores on my nose are ginormous, which you guys, I wouldn't recommend doing this to your skin because you'll never look at it the same again. You just won't. Skin is a very, very wild beast. Wow. Do you see that? So those black things are hairs, little tiny like microscopic hairs. This is so cool. At first I was grossed out, but now I'm just like, this is amazing. My pores are huge though. I need to go get a facial. Those hairs are out of line. Like, where the F did you come from?
Why are you so big and spiky? There's that, like, you see that, the black one sticking up right there? That little nappy friend. He looks like he's gonna start doing a coil or something. Like, he just looks like he has a purpose. Like, I'm gonna grow. I'm gonna get you. Wow. That was absolutely wild. Like, mind blown. I look at my skin without makeup and I'm like, oh, my skin looks great. The chemical peel's working. My pores look smaller. Hell no. Until you actually look at your skin under one of these microscopes. I mean, there's literally still glitter on my face that I cannot see with the naked eye. This is amazing. This was one of the like most disgusting but fun and enlightening videos I've ever filmed. I recommend you guys all try this. This thing was, I'm getting choked up just thinking about how large my pores were. This thing was under $25, friends. I think it was $19.99. Definitely check it out, especially if you have Amazon Prime. The shipping will be free. This was so cool. I want to do it on everybody. I want to do it on my mom. I want to do it on my boyfriend's mom when she comes. She probably won't let me. Miss Barb, if you don't, I understand. I want to do it on Coco. We should totally do it on Coco. I want to do, it's so fun. I'm like well, I've told you guys this. I'm a tech nerd, and growing up, I wanted to be a scientist. I didn't know what kind of scientist. I wanted to be either a chemist, a biologist, and then when I got to college and took chemistry and biology, I was like, I don't know if this is for me. I should have probably followed through with biology. I really loved biology, but this stuff just fascinates me. I'm not even grossed out anymore. I just think it's cool. So let me know your thoughts down below. Let's jump into some product reviews because I have some fun stuff for you. Why am I doing this? First up, I received this in my September BoxyCharm. This is Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On Precision Liner. So the only roll-on liner videos I've seen was for the MAC Rollerball. I don't even know if you guys can see this. I'm gonna have to show you a close-up. So it's a very wet liquid liner with a little like spinning wheel on the end of it. And it rolls, and I thought this would be a disaster. You see how messy that is? I just tried to draw a straight line. It can get very messy. But I think if you are a very advanced liner person, I don't like to brag, but I have been putting on liner for many years, you would really like this. If you are a novice to intermediate, I think you would hate this because it kind of goes everywhere. You need to have a very still hand, but I like the thin line that it creates, and it like made doing winged liner so simple. So I think that these roll-on liners, they're a little gimmicky and they're not for everybody. I think you need to be very, very comfortable with liquid liner, but I really liked it. And I actually did this before work, and when I'm doing work makeup, I do not look like this. It's very basic, very fast, and I really like this a lot. So I will update you. I'll keep playing with it. But you see that, like I just tried to do a very like straight line, very fast, and that did not happen. You really need to have a smooth hand, pay attention. So it's not for everybody, but if you are really, really comfortable, I shouldn't say if you're good at it because good is subjective. If you're really comfortable at applying liner, I think you might like it. I like it. Something else that I like is from First Aid Beauty. This is their Hello Fab Bendy Avocado Concealer, and I've been using the shade 06. This is what it looks like. I use it under the eyes, down the bridge of the nose. I really like this. It's a very comfortable, lightweight concealer. Do not expect it to give you like a ton of coverage. I would say it's light to medium coverage, which I like sometimes. Sometimes, like right now, when I'm on camera, I want a full coverage concealer. Yeah, that's just how it is. But if I'm going to work or if it's just a natural day, it's comfortable, it's not drying, lightweight to medium coverage. I like it. I'll leave a link to it down below. Thanks to First Aid Beauty for sending this to me because I really do like it. It's a great find. And it has avocado, I think it says it has avocado oil or avocado in it. It's just really nice. I like it. Does it smell? No, it has no smell. For some reason, I was like, ooh, is it gonna smell like avocado? Next up, this is a brand that is completely new to me and I am already in love. I hope I pronounce it properly. This is the Herbivore, like kind of like, you know, you only eat vegetables, like. I can't stand when I say like a million times. I think that's how it's pronounced. I'll show you a close-up because my lights are totally washing it out. This is the Herbivore After Sun Skin Smoothing
Skin Soothing Aloe Mist. So I didn't know how to use this. I was like, what is this? Just a bottle of water? It's so cool. So by the way, this brand is made in the USA, which I think is awesome. Vegan, cruelty-free, all natural ingredients. It literally is made of water, aloe water, witch hazel, radish root, ferment, lavender oil, leaf oil. So the way that you use this is, I'll tell you, it says skin soothing aloe combines with cooling mint, therapeutic lavender, which I love, witch hazel to bring natural relief to hot sun-drenched skin. Store in refrigerator for extra cooling effect. So you're supposed to wash your face, put this on your skin maybe after you've been in the sun all day. I just put it on because I just wanted to try it. I've loved it so much. I want to put it on now, but it's not a setting spray. Like, it's not meant to be put on your face after makeup. This is meant to just cool down the skin, moisturize the skin, calm the skin for any skin, for like, especially if you've been out in the sun all day. This is so cool. And you get quite a bit, friends. This is big. This is 8 ounces. It's basically half the size of my bottle of water, which is 16 ounces. You get a lot. I really like this, and I've only used it twice. Have any of you tried this? I never even heard of the brand until they sent it to me, and it was started in these 2 ladies' kitchen in Seattle. I had the, oh, here it is. It says, we bring you products that are safe, non-toxic, highly effective. We do not use any fillers of any kind, meaning that almost every ingredient in our products is an active ingredient. All of our formulas are original and created and tested by us on real people, never on animals. And it was co-founded by Julia Willis and Alexander Kumero, I think, in 2011 in their Seattle kitchen. I just love that. I really like this a lot. I'm gonna look them up and see what else they have, and I'm gonna try it out. If any of you have tried anything from this brand, let me know your thoughts. I'm about to put this in my refrigerator right now. Next, from Avon, we have their Lip Glow lip glosses. I actually have the shade Socialite on. I really like these guys. They're non-sticky. I have it on the center of my lips. Non-sticky, does that smell? Kind of smells like bubblegum with Pepto-Bismol, and I kind of like it. Is that weird? It's a very light scent. Non-sticky, moisturizing, glossy. I love gloss lips. Even when matte lips were in, I was like in hell. I kept trying matte lips because they were so trendy, and my lips would literally be peeling because my lips are naturally just very dry. So I love a good glossy lip. I've been enjoying these, so thanks to Avon for sending those to me. Also been loving this Real Techniques, what do they call it? I just call it a brush holder. I love to use this to travel with because basically it'll stick to a mirror, or it'll stick, what else does it stick to? They call it an expert organizer. It'll stick to like a mirror, sometimes like a dresser, things that have like a smooth surface, and you just stick it up there and it'll actually hold more brushes than this, especially if they're eye brushes, and it's silicone so it bends, so it's very easy to travel with. I love it. I love this. You guys know I love Real Techniques, but I just find this really helpful, especially when traveling. Something new to me is from Kazu Beauty. If you don't know, I've tried their gold mask that came in like the, like a mask form, you know, kind of like a jelly. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave a link down below. One of you, I forgot who, told me that I should keep a notepad so that if I mention a video I should link it down below. And I was like, that's a good idea. So shout out to you. I can't remember who told me that, but I don't have a notepad. I will do that the next video. So this is the Kazu Beauty 24 karat eye gold glow sheet mask. Let me make sure I'm recording. When I can't see myself, I get paranoid. So I'll show you clips of me applying this. I like Kazu Beauty a lot. I think you can get them on Amazon, and I'll leave a link to where you can pick it up down below. But their 24 karat gold glow mask, if you go and watch that video, you'll see at the end when I take that mask off, my skin just looks rejuvenated and even. With these, I feel like after I left it on my eyes for about 20 minutes, their eye mask, I feel like my eyes just felt firmer. I feel like their masks are really good at firming the skin. I really like them, and it's affordable too. So I'll leave a link down below. And then what else? I have this Lancome, since we're talking about how big my pores are, this Lancome Rose Sugar Scrub. This has been great at exfoliating my skin. Clearly I should exfoliate more considering how huge my pores are. You know what I need to do? I need to stop skipping toning. I need to be doing toning because that'll suck out and clear out all the gunk in my pores. If any of you have any good recommendations for toners, let me know down below. I used to use the Sunday Riley toner in the green bottle. Can't remember the name of it. I'll leave a link down below. That toner was really good, but I feel like for my skin, it was a little too gentle. I probably need something a little stronger. But this is a really good exfoliating scrub that's good at evening out your skin tone. It smells amazing. It has rose in it, or rose scent, and I've really been enjoying. All right, friends, that is it for me. Hopefully you enjoyed this kind of gross but interesting video. I really liked it. I want to microscope everything now. Let me know your thoughts down below. Did you like this? Did you think it was gross? Have you seen, I want to know, have you guys seen these floating around? Because I just discovered one and then I ended up watching like hours of them. So let me know your thoughts on this down below. And what else should I microscope? This is so cool. I highly recommend it. This is going into one of my Amazon favorites videos. I love it. I just plugged it into my computer. Bam. And apparently it'll work with Android phones too. And there are some that work with Apple. I really like it a lot. So that's it for me, friends. Hopefully you will consider subscribing. Give this video a thumbs up. If you notice the pumpkin behind me, it's Halloween time. I will put a link to my Halloween vlog video where I bought that little pumpkin at the dollar store. I'll leave a link to that here. You can subscribe right here by clicking my face, and I will see you soon. Ciao.